Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to get Uber and Voidpet Dungeon. Alright, so I'm in Voidpet Dungeon again, and today I'm trying to figure out how to get the Uber Voidpet. Now, when I first heard the name, I honestly thought it had something to do with a summoning a ride, but no, sadly, this one doesn't pick you up from the dungeon entrance. Instead, Uber is one of those void pets you mainly get through egg hatching. So the real strategy is focusing on collecting better eggs. What I usually do is grind a few dungeon runs, pick up rewards, and save them until I can hatch higher tier eggs, because the better the egg, the better your chances of getting stronger pets like Uber. Once I've got an egg ready, I jump into the egg menu, tap hatch, and cross my fingers like I'm opening a mystery box. Sometimes it's amazing, sometimes it's, well, not Uber, but that's part of the fun. So if you're hunting for Uber, keep stacking eggs and hatching consistently. The odds eventually swing your way. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.